Good morning. It is Thursday. It is the Bubba Show. And again, since the week has so little news, I don't feel like talking about any news. I did want to talk today about the futures market and the commodity markets. You know, we all hear the TV guys and the pundits talking about the S&P future and the Dow future and what's happening. And understanding, what you want to understand about futures is that the overnight move, unless really dramatic and unless there is a real crisis in the world, overnight moves are basically non-eventful. There is not enough volume overnight to dictate a real move in the futures market. Now again, that does not mean if there's something major going on, but then you'll notice the volume picking up. But just because the futures are selling off in the morning before the market opens, or just because the futures are rallying in the market before the market opens, doesn't necessarily signify what we're going to see for that particular day. When you look at the futures market, you watch to see the trend as you would look at any other market. Futures, just like stock. Now remember, all charts are the same. If you took off the symbol, you wouldn't know what you were looking at. So futures charts trade just like stock charts. So as we take a look at, charts like gold, well, gold, it happens to be in a downtrend. Oil happens to be in an uptrend. S&P futures happen to be in an uptrend. So what are we doing? If we go back to our analysis, we're looking for spots to either buy or sell those futures or commodities that will help us signify. Again, there's nothing to be afraid of. You look at the charts as you would look at any other chart. But again, don't be fooled. The only overnight currency, the only overnight future that has some effect are some of the currencies, because those are directly affected by the countries that are open before we open. So when we look at these, we want to focus on the levels and focus on the charts. But again, assume the trend that is in the day trade. The U.S. market hours are the significant trend to the market. No matter what happens overnight, unless there's a massive breakdown, again, unless there's a major fundamental news bomb that happens when we're closed, the futures themselves and the market itself that trades between 9:30 and 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time are the true direction of where the markets are going to go, no matter what happens overnight. Keep that in mind. Remember, Bubba's Picks, new format. Hope you like it. Remember, for Thursday, the Bubba Show, have a great day. We'll talk to you on Friday.